Welcome to our Pathshala. Today we will read class 11 and 12 subject higher mathematics, second paper, chapter 1, real numbers and inequalities. Real numbers, rational and irrational numbers are together called real numbers. Set of all real numbers is denoted by capital R, that is R equal Q union Q prime. Q is the denoted by rational number and Q prime denoted by rational number. For example, the following numbers are real numbers. Example 0, comma plus minus 1, comma plus minus 2, comma plus minus 3, comma plus dot dot, plus minus half, comma plus minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2, comma root over 2, root over 3, root over 7 and 1 decimal 2, 3, comma 0 decimal 4, 1, 5 etc. All are real numbers. After completing this chapter, student will be able to first describe different subset of real numbers. Number 2, describe real numbers on the basis of axiom. Number 3, describe and prove axiom of real numbers related to inequality. Number 4, describe, prove and apply properties of absolute value. Solve inequality with one variable. Solve inequality with one variable by the help of number line. Number 7, solve linear inequality with two variables by the help of graph. Number 8, explain linear inequality with two variables. Geometric representation of real numbers. All the real numbers can be represented by different points in a straight line, which is called a number line. Any fixed point is considered as 0. This is the fixed point 0. The points at distance 1, 2, 3 dot dot in a right side of 0. 1, 2, 3 dot dot. It is the number of right from 0 and the points at distance 1, minus 2, minus 3 in left of 0 represent the numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. A real number can be represented in a number line. This is the fixed point 0 and fixed point 0 right side of 1, 2 equal 2.723 and left side of number line minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the position of root 2 and this is the position of E equal 2.72. Invertal. Invertal is a subset of real numbers. Invertal is a one type of subset of real numbers. Invertal are two types such as open invertal and closed invertal or fixed invertal. Open invertal. An open invertal is an invertal that does not include its endpoint. That's mean that open interval does not include endpoint. The open interval, that's mean x second bracket x such that a less than x less than b. This is the open interval. The set of all real numbers when expressed as invertal is written as r equal first bracket, that's mean open interval first bracket minus infinity comma infinity open interval first bracket. Close interval, it means close interval third bracket. A close interval is an interval that includes all its endpoint. If the endpoints of the invertal are finite number a and b, then the invertal second bracket x such that a less than equal x less than equal b is denoted by third bracket close interval a comma b. This is the third bracket close interval and this is the open interval. Example 1 minus first bracket minus 2 comma 3. It is expressed by second bracket in set x element are minus 2 less than x less than 3. That means x greater than minus 2 and less than 3. X is situated in minus 2 from 3. first bracket minus 2 comma 3, third bracket close, expresses second bracket x element are such that minus 2 less than x less than equal 3. This is the close interval and denoted less than or equal 3. This is the left side of open interval minus 2 less than equal less than x, and 3 close less than equal 3. Number 3, close interval minus 2 comma 3 open interval equal second bracket x element are such that close interval minus 2, that means minus 2 less than equal x, open interval 3 less than 3. Number 4, both are close interval minus 2 third bracket comma 3 close interval, that means less than or equal x, second bracket x element are such that minus 2 less than equal x less than equal 3 bracket close. Bounded set. A set of real numbers is called bounded set from above if there is a real numbers m such that x belongs to s or x less than equal m. For all x in s, the numbers m is called an upper bound of s. For example, the set s equals second bracket minus 1 comma minus half comma minus 3 comma minus 1 4 dot dot 1 by n dot dot is a bounded above and 0 is an upper bound. This sequence end in 0. 0 is the upper bound and lower bound minus 1. Absolute value. The absolute value of the real number means the distance of that number from 0 in the number line. Absolute value of x is denoted by modulus x. The absolute value of a real number is always positive. So by the definition, modulus x equal second bracket x comma when x is greater than equal 0 and minus x when x greater than equal 0 modulus x equal x, and when modulus x equal minus x when x less than equal 0, when x less than 0 modulus x equal minus x, when x greater than equal 0 modulus x equal x. Number problem 1, solve the inequality 2x modulus 2x plus 1 less than 3, and so the solution set in the number line solution modulus 2x plus 3 2x plus 1 less than 3 minus 3 less than. Modulus 2x plus 1 less than 3. Next line modulus out, then minus 3 less than 2x plus 1 less than 3, and 3 from x, then plus 2x plus 1 and minus 1, subtract both, minus 3 minus 1 less than 2x plus 1 minus 1 less than 3 minus 1. That means minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 less than 2x less than 2. 3 from x, then divided by 2 we get minus 4 divided 2 less than 2x divided 2 less than 2 by 2. Then result minus 2 less than 2x by 2 less than x less than 2 divided 2 less than 1. So thus minus 2 less than x less than 1, this is the result. So the solution set S equal second bracket x element are such that minus 2 less than x less than 1. So the solution set in real number line, this is the fixed point 0, left side minus 1, minus 2 and 1. This set exists in the number line minus 2, minus 1, 0, comma 1. Next problem, solve the inequality and show that the solution set in number line 1 by modulus 3x plus 1 greater than equal 5, where x not equal minus 1 by 3. If x equal minus 1 by 3, then 1 by 0, this is the undefined, so x not equal minus 1 by 3. Solution, modulus 1 by divided modulus 3x plus 1 greater than 5, x not equal minus 1 by 3. Then next line, or 3x modulus 3x plus 1 less than equal 1 by 5 by invertendo. By invertendo, x not equal minus 1 by 3 and out the modulus, then minus 1 by 5 less than or equal 3x plus 1 less than or equal 1 by 5, x not equal minus 1 by 3. And next problem, minus 1 by 5 less than or equal 3x plus 1 less than or equal 1 by 5, and free from the x, then 3x plus 1 both side subtract 1, then we get minus 1 by 5 minus 1 less than or equal 3x plus 1 minus 1 less than or equal 1 by 5 minus 1. LCM 5 minus 1 minus 5 less than or equal 3x plus 1 minus 1, both are cancelled, then 3x less than or equal 1 minus 5 divided 5 comma x not equal minus 1 by 3. Then calculation, minus 6 by 5 less than or equal 3x less than or equal minus 4 by 5, and free to the x, 3 is multiplied with x. Then if we free to the x, then divided 3. Then the result, minus 6 by 5 less than or equal 3x less than or equal minus 4 by 5, comma x not equal minus 1 by 3. Both sides divided by 3, then minus 6 5 into 3 less than equal 3x divided 3 less than or equal minus 4 divided 5 into 3, then result minus 6 divided 15 less than or equal 3 cancel, x less than or equal minus 4 by 15. This is the result of inequality. Next, minus divided, both sides divided 3, then 2 5 minus 2 by 5 less than or equal x less than or equal minus 4 by 5, x not equal minus 1 by 3. The required solution set x element are such that minus 2 by 5 less than or equal x less than or equal minus 4 by 5 15 comma x not equal minus 1 by 3, second bracket close. Problem number 3. Rewrite the inequality minus 8 less than equal x less than equal 2 using absolute value. Using absolute value, this is the absolute value. Solution, minus 8, this is the system, minus 8 less than equal x less than equal 2. Next, the problem, minus 8 plus 2 divided 2, this is the system. Minus 8 plus 2 divided 2 equal minus 6 divided 2 equal minus 3. If minus 8 plus 2 divided 2 minus 6 result minus 3, then adding minus 3, opposite sign of number add, then minus 8 plus 3 less than equal x plus 3 less than equal 2 plus 3. Then result minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 less than equal x plus 3 less than equal 5. minus 5 less than equal x plus 3 less than equal 5, minus 5, 5 and turn into absolute value. By converting to this is the term absolute value modulus x plus 3 less than or equal 5. The required solution modulus x plus 3 less than equal 5. Number 4, if a comma b belongs to R, then prove that modulus a minus b modulus less than or equal modulus a plus modulus b. Prove modulus a minus b. Modulus a minus b equal left side modulus a minus b. Next line modulus a plus bracket minus b, plus a minus and turn into second term. A plus modulus first bracket minus b bracket close modulus. Next line less than or equal modulus a plus bracket minus b modulus close less than or equal separate modulus a plus separate modulus minus b, or modulus a minus b less than or equal modulus a plus modulus b, or modulus a minus b equal less than or equal modulus a modulus minus b, modulus minus b, absolute value negative or positive, both are positive. Modulus minus b means modulus b equal b. That means modulus a plus modulus b, modulus minus b, modulus b, since modulus bracket minus b equal modulus b. Therefore, we get the result modulus a minus b less than or equal modulus a plus modulus b. This is the required proof of modulus a minus b less than or equal modulus a plus modulus b. Problem number 5, if modulus x minus 1 less than 1 by 10, then show that modulus x square minus 1 less than 21 by 100. Solution, given that x minus modulus x minus 1 modulus x minus 1 modulus x minus 1 less than 1 by 10, or minus 1 less than x minus 1 less than 1 by 10, x minus 1 free to the x, then minus 1 then we add plus 1, or both side minus 1 by 10 plus 1 less than x minus 1 plus 1 less than 1 by 10 plus 1, and then next line calculation 10 LCM minus 1 plus 10 x minus 1 plus 1 cancel, less than x less than 10 LCM 1 plus 10, or minus 1 plus 10 9 by 10 less than x less than 11 by 10. By squaring both sides 9 square, that means 81, 10 square 100 less than x square less than 11 by 10 square 121 by 100. Next line 81 by x square minus 1, then both side subtract minus 1, 81 by 100 minus 1 less than x square minus 1 less than 121 by 100 minus 1, then 100 LCM 81 minus 100 less than x square minus 1 less than 121 minus 100 by 100, then result minus 19 by 100 less than x square minus 1 less than 21 by 100. Next result x square minus 1 less than 21, since before minus 19 by 100 minus 19 by 100. Next line, greater than minus 20 by 100. So, modulus x square minus 1 less than 21 by 100. Therefore, modulus x square minus 1 less than 21 by 100. Number 6 problem, if modulus x minus 1 less than half, then show that modulus x cube minus 1 less than 19 by 8. Given that modulus x minus 1 less than half, and out the modulus, then you get minus half less than x minus 1 less than half minus 1, then adding plus 1, minus 1 plus half less than x minus 1 plus 1 less than half plus 1, then result minus 2 LCM minus 1 plus 2 less than x 1 plus 2 divided 2, result half less than x less than 3 by 2 or 1 by 8, and by cubing both sides, then you get 1 by 8 less than x cube 3 to the power 3 27 2 to the power 8, or 1 by 8 and subtract minus 1, 1 by 8 minus 1 less than x cube minus 1 less than 27 by 8 minus 1, or 8 LCM 1 minus 8 less than x cube minus 1 less than 27 minus 8 divided 8. Result minus 7 by 8 less than x cube minus 1 less than 19 by 8, or minus 19 by 8 less than x cube minus 1 less than 19 by 8. Since minus 19 by 8 less than minus 7 by 8. So, minus 7 by 8 replace in minus 9 by 8, 19 by 8, then minus 19 by 8 less than x cube minus 1 less than 19 by 8. Therefore, modulus or x cube minus 1 less than 19 by 8 proved. Express the following interval in the form of a set A first bracket minus half comma 3 by 2 bracket close, number B third bracket, or that's mean close interval minus 1 comma 7, open interval minus infinity comma 0. Then solution minus half comma 3 by 2 expressed in a set minus half comma 3 by 2 both are real number. So, expressed in a set second bracket x element are such that minus half less than x less than 3 by 2 second bracket close. This is the open interval. So, not in less than or equal, only less than, and this is the close interval less than or equal. That's mean minus half comma 3 by 2 open interval. For open interval expressed in set, then the form x element are such that minus half less than x less than 3 by 2 bracket close, and number B close interval minus 1 comma 7, this is the close. Then x element are such that minus 1 close interval less than equal x less than equal 7 bracket close, and this is the open interval infinite minus infinity comma 0, x element are such that x less than 0. Find the infimum and supremum of the following subset of real numbers. First, S equal set second bracket close 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2, S equal x element are such that 2 less than equal x less than 8. Third bracket, problem number third, S equal 1 by n such that n element n, here n is the capital N is the natural number, n is the number. Solution S equal second bracket close set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x element S x is the element of S or x greater than or equal 0. This is the endpoint. Start from 0 to 5. So x greater than or equal 0. X is 0 or greater than or equal 0. Then infimum S equal 0. Again x element S or x less than or equal 5. X exists in 0 to 5. X or supremum S equal 5. Problem number 2, similar problem, S equal x element R 2 less than equal x less than 8, x element S or x greater than equal to, infimum S equal to x element S or x less than 8, supremum S equal 8. Similar problem, S equal 1 by n such that n element n, 1 by n half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 dot dot finish in 0. Then 1, half, 3 by 4 dot dot 0, x element S or x greater than equal 0, infimum S equal 0, infimum S equal 0, x or supremum S equal 1. Two homework given that first problem, if x modulus x minus 1 less than 2, then show that modulus x square minus 1 less than 8. Problem number 2, if modulus x minus 1 less than 3, then show that similar problem modulus x cube minus 1 less than 63. Thanks to